Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair mask that can help you to grow long, healthier hair. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does like you do. That's why So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be a 1/4 cup of butterfly pea flowers, and the pea is spelled P-E-A. The benefits of butterfly pea flower, also known as blue pea flower, is excellent for the hair because it contains anthocyanin, a compound known to increase blood circulation in the head and therefore maintaining a healthy scalp. It also helps in strengthening the hair follicles from within. The second ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1/2 cup of Amla powder. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, can help treat hair loss effectively. This edible fruit is considered as a miracle cure for hair care. It stimulates hair growth and improves the quality of hair. It also contains calcium, which helps to promote healthier hair. So the first step to making this hair mask is going to be making the butterfly pea tea. So I have this teapot that I got from Amazon. It has a stainless steel infuser attached to it, and that's what I'm going to be using to make my tea. So first I'm going to add the butterfly pea flowers into the infuser, and then I'm going to take 2 cups of hot water and I'm going to pour that right into the teapot. As I pour in the hot water, you can see that the color of the water is starting to turn blue. The blue color is a strong indication that this plant is packed with one of the powerful antioxidants good for collagen restoration. So now I'm just going to make sure that all the flowers are submerged into the water, and I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Also, you can let it sit until the water is completely cool. So after the tea has cooled down, now we can begin to put the hair mask together. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. You can use any carrier oil or essential oil that you would prefer. So now I'm going to start adding the tea into the amla powder. I'm going to start with small increments of tea just so that way I can make sure I get the desired consistency that I'm looking for. If you want a hair mask on the thinner side, then add more tea. If you want a hair mask on the thicker side, then add less tea. I believe I used 3/4 cup to 1 cup of tea to make the hair mask a thick consistency. Other benefits of butterfly pea flowers is that it helps to promote hair growth, prevents graying of hair, a natural solution to hair loss. It also helps repair hair follicles. It stimulates the production of collagen, maintains scalp health, also contains anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to improve blood circulation. So when it comes to the application of this hair mask, you want to apply it to your hair before you shampoo your hair. Also, you want to apply it all over your hair from root to ends. Make sure that you're putting an extra focus on your ends since that is the oldest part of your hair. Then you want to leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to an hour. You have the option of using a shower cap or not. And then from there, once the 30 minutes to an hour is up, you then go into your wash day routine, and you could go ahead and shampoo it out and then apply your conditioner. Also, if you have extremely thick hair or really long hair, you can double up the ingredients to this recipe so that way you can have more of the hair mask. If you decide to store this hair mask, it can last a week without being refrigerated. If you want it to last longer than that, I would suggest placing it into the refrigerator, and it'll last 2 to 3 weeks. Also, you can add a preservative if you want to this hair mask, and it should last about 2 to 3 months. The ingredients featured in this video can be found in my hair care products. The name of the ingredient as well as the name of the product that contains that ingredient can be found on the screen. Head over to my website, crayollily.com, for more details.
I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.